Let's do another easy one. I think maybe I should try to do the first 100, and like before I do any more easy ones. So maybe it's, I don't know, maybe it's a mistake. Maybe I should ration the easy ones, um, for when I need a break from the harder thinking. But I don't know. I can always just do an easy one. There's no rules here. I'll try to do the first 100, eventually. Okay. Another blind one. I have no idea. Never read this one before. 66 plus 1. You are given a large integer represented as many, well, as an integer array digits, where each digit, digit I, is the ith digit of the integer. The digits are ordered from most significant to least significant in left to right order. The large integer does not contain any leading zeros. Increment the large integer by 1 and return the resulting array of digits. Okay, so this reminds me of that one that we did, the where you add the two arrays as like linked lists, and then you had to worry about the carries. This feels like a simpler version of that because it kind of is. It's not a linked list; it's just an array. So I think the right thing to do is to just have a loop that goes through all of the digits, have carry 1 be a toggle, but we don't even need to go through the digits because we're just adding 1. So the second that we don't have to carry 1, we're done. Okay, makes sense. Easy enough. So we are iterate backwards through list. Stop when no carry. If it's greater than 9, then we just subtract 10, and then carry 1 to the next one. Stop when no carry. How about for I in four digit in reversed digits. Digit plus equal 1. If digit is less than 10, return digits. Otherwise, I guess we still need to have a toggle because we need to, since we're iterating backwards, we'll eventually reach the largest digit, but we need to add one more digit to the entire list. Is it insert? Is that what's the keyword for inserting a number to the start of a list? I don't care. Oh, we don't even need a toggle because we can just, since there's no leading zeros, okay, so You can't add 1 and get anything above 10, since we're only going through single digits. We're going backwards through the digits and adding 1 to them. If the result of that is ever the digit being less than 10, which will be most of the time, then return the digits right there. If not, set it to 0, because that means it must equal 10. If at the end if digit 0 equals 0, then that means that we need to insert a 1. Which I think would be insert. Yeah, it's insert. Okay, so I had to Google real quick. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's it. Let's run it. Huh. Oh, digits. Digits 0. Oh. Are they not mutable? I don't think they are. Alright. So instead of D, that's what it is. Yeah, silly old me. I thought that might be a problem. I think that a way that we can make it mutable is by accessing the indices, because I think what we're doing is we're just getting the specific value, but I don't think that we can change each value once we get it. So instead, we're going to do reversed range length of digits. That makes sense. And then makes sense to me. Yep, that works. Yeah. Okay, that makes sense. So for a for each loop, you can't, those individual variables aren't mutable, or at least they won't change the array that they come from, which makes sense and would kind of make it a little bit messy otherwise. There you go. Done. Okay, yep, just like I said. Iterate backwards through the list, add 1 and check if it's greater than 9. If it's ever less than 10, then you can stop there. Otherwise, set to 0 and add 1 to the next one, which it'll do anyway. Easy enough. Submit. Done. Beats 91%. Pretty good. Happy with that. All right. That was fun. I enjoyed it. See you later.